Shower companies do not want you to know this. They are hiding something that costs them billions every single year. What you're about to discover took me months to find. Soap scum. That cloudy, disgusting film on your shower doors. There's a $2 item sitting in your laundry room right now that destroys it instantly. Not bleach, not vinegar. Something you have thrown away 1,000 times without knowing its real power. Big cleaning brands spend millions making sure you never learn this. They want you buying their $15 bottles every single month. Forever. Stay until the end, because the last tip will shock you. Let's talk about soap scum for a second. You know exactly what I am talking about. That hazy white buildup on your glass shower door. It makes your bathroom look dirty. Even right after you clean it, you scrub. And scrub. Your arm gets tired. Nothing changes. So what do? You go to the store. You buy a bottle of shower cleaner for $12. Maybe $15. It barely works. So you buy another one. And another. Some people even call professional cleaners. Did you know professional shower deep cleaning can cost you between $80 and $200 just for someone to scrub glass doors? Some people replace their shower doors entirely. That's $500, sometimes more, all because of soap scum, a thin layer of mineral deposits and soap residue. Think about that for a second. You're spending hundreds of dollars fighting something this small. Meanwhile, your bathroom still looks dull, still looks dirty. Your guests notice it. You notice it every single morning. It is embarrassing. It feels like no matter what you do, the scum always comes back, within days, sometimes hours. And the cleaning industry knows this. They count on this, because if their products actually worked permanently, they would lose customers. They need you coming back, every month, every year, spending more and more money on the same problem. So why does nobody talk about this simple trick? Let's go back. Decades ago, cleaning companies discovered something powerful, a common household item that breaks down soap scum almost instantly. But here's the problem for them. This item already existed in most homes. It was cheap, almost free. Why? If people knew its full potential, entire product lines would become useless overnight. What I'm about to show you isn't some new internet hack. It's an old method. Quietly buried as cleaning products became big business, companies spent millions advertising miracle formulas, bottles with fancy chemical names, promising shine, promising streak-free results. But the truth is simpler than that. Only a small percentage of people ever stumble onto this method by accident. And when they do, they stop buying expensive sprays completely. That's bad for business. So it stayed quiet, passed around in whispers, old cleaning forms, grandmother's notebooks, never in commercials, never on store shelves with big labels saying, use this instead. Because no company benefits from you spending less. They benefit from confusion, from you thinking soap scum needs a special formula, from you believing the problem is complicated. It's not. And once you see how this works, you'll understand why this stayed hidden for so long. Here it is, the dryer sheet. Yes, the same one you throw in with your laundry. Used dryer sheets work even better. This simple item contains a thin coating of fabric softener. That coating is the secret. When it touches soap scum, it acts almost like a gentle solvent. It breaks the bond between mineral deposits and glass. At the same time, the texture is just abrasive enough to lift grime, but soft enough not to scratch your shower door. Professional cleaning services charge anywhere from $80 to $200 for this exact result. Streak-free, scum-free glass. And they're often just using stronger commercial versions of fabric softening agents, the same basic chemistry. A $2 box of dryer sheets gives you dozens of uses. That's pennies per shower door. Compare that to a $15 bottle of spray you'll empty in 2 weeks. The math isn't close. People are shocked the first time they try this. They expect nothing. Then they wipe once and see scum lifting away in seconds. No harsh fumes. No gloves required. No scrubbing until your arm aches. Just a simple sheet and a little water. This is the kind of thing that, once you know it, you can't believe you didn't know it before. Let's get into exactly how to do this. First, grab a used dryer sheet. Slightly damp ones work best. Second, wet your shower door lightly with warm water. This helps the dryer sheet glide smoothly. Third, rub the dryer sheet directly onto the soap scum. Use small circular motions. You'll start seeing the haze lift almost immediately. Fourth, focus on the worst areas first. Corners, bottom edges. Places where water sits longest. Fifth, once the scum is loosened, wipe the entire door with a clean microfiber cloth. Sixth, for stubborn spots, use a fresh dryer sheet and repeat the circular motion. Don't press too hard. Gentle pressure works better than force. Seventh, finish by drying the glass completely. This prevents new water spots from forming. One important tip, never use dryer sheets on certain natural stone surfaces. Always test a small corner first. And don't combine this with bleach-based cleaners at the same time. Keep it simple. Water and the dryer sheet. That's it. The results speak for themselves. Clear glass, Almost like new. No haze, no cloudy film. Just clean, clear shower doors. People who try this say they are shocked at how easy it was. One person said they had been scrubbing for years, and this worked in under 5 minutes. Another said they canceled their professional cleaning subscription entirely, saving themselves close to $800 a year. The best part? If you wipe your doors down weekly using this method, the scum doesn't build back up the same way. Some people report going months without any haze returning at all. Compare that to traditional sprays, where the scum comes right back within days. This method isn't trending yet. Most people have no idea dryer sheets do this, but once you try it, you'll never look at that little sheet the same way again. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button right now. Subscribe, because next time I'm exposing another household's secret companies don't want you to know. Here's one final tip before you go. Keep a few used dryer sheets in a Ziploc bag under your sink. Always ready, always free. You don't need expensive sprays. You don't need professionals. You have the power now. Use it.